Another little squall about 5:30 just started. Gusty winds, probably 30 miles per hour. Rain, heavy rain. Coming sideways. Loud noise pelting on the roof, on the porch. Just a total downpour. Heavy rain. Little lightning. Typical thunderstorm. Rain just slacking off. Wind dying down. And here comes a little more wind. It's our lychee tree right in the center frame. Not much movement right now. Well, here comes a little more wind again. Rain. Pretty heavy. Pretty gusty. 30 miles, 35 miles per hour. Possibly. And abated a little bit now again. When they get a closer view, maybe you can see the palm trees in the yard. There we go. Really a little too dark to see. I don't know why. There we go. Let's see if we can see it. Nope. That seems to be about it. Rain is stopping. Wind has died down again. Just typical all day this afternoon. Similar. activity. Wind and rain, rain and wind, lulls. And I can't get the palm tree for some reason. There we go. Oh. Losing the light on the palm tree. There's some bushes on the side. Can't see that either. There we go. There's a chair that's been overturned. Nope, every time I pan up, I lose the light. I'll try to step back a little. That's about it. 6 minutes, and I believe it's over. Signing off for now. Going on to 6 o'clock in the evening. Hurricane Isaac. Actually, tropical storm downgraded to Tropical Storm Isaac. They always hype them up. And this one seems to be one red in that category.